New demonstration garden spots low-water native plants in Breckenridge. The Summit County Garden Club held a ribbon cutting Thursday, August 14th, for its newest addition to the Breckenridge Alpine Garden, a low-water, native plant berm. High Country Conservation Center partnered with the club to build the berm, and Community Programs Director Heather Allen called it a demonstration garden that showcases how native plants can conserve water. "We want to educate the community on how beautiful switching to native plants can be," Allen said. "While we're excited to have this beautiful garden in Breck for visitors and residents, we're even more excited on the education piece." Club President Alicia Dunn highlighted the project's design. The second berm required all Rocky Mountain native plants. This means the berm's residents use low water usage plants that are pollinator-friendly and adapted to high altitudes. Dunn emphasized that having native plants creates a natural beauty, serenity, and educational value. She noted the berm serves as a win-win for both visitors and residents. Allen explained the center's goal: encouraging residents to transition their lawns from grass to native plant gardens. They hope visiting areas will see not just beauty, but also significant water savings due to plants designed to thrive at the local climate. The berm features native species such as Colorado state flower columbine, blue flax, penstemons, gaillardia, prairie smoke, and serviceberry. Its design considers plant height, blooming seasons, and location, ensuring optimal growth throughout the year. Allen shared a page on the High Country Conservation Center's website, https://highcountryconservation.org/water/transformyourgrass, detailing how transitioning lawns to native gardens can be done, including planting instructions for different sun conditions. The center is developing a county-wide turf replacement program using funds from the Colorado Water Conservation Board. Allen stated the initiative aims to reduce irrigation waste and improve water efficiency by helping community members transition to native grasses. Allen concluded that the project's complexity and timing, some are already underway in 2024, meant the process took a year, but it still allows many residents to complete their transitions in less time. The berm will continue growing in the future, with perennials planted to ensure long-term benefits.